Stripe versus Revolut. So in this 2025 comparison, we will break down which one is better depending on your needs. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin with their core functionality. Stripe is a payment processor built for businesses. It handles online payments, subscriptions, invoicing, and marketplaces, which is ideal for developers and SaaS businesses. On the other hand, Revolut is a digital banking app. While it supports business accounts and payments, it also offers personal finance tools, library cards, and crypto support, and global money transfers too. And now for the ease of the integration. Stripe shines here. Its API are flexible, well documented, and integrate with almost any platform, while Revolut is more plug and play with a web dashboard but less developer flexibility. And now let's discuss their international support. Both of them support multiple currencies, but Stripe has more comprehensive payment method options globally, and Revolut is excellent for personal and small business use in Europe and selected regions, but lacks Stripe's reach in enterprise solutions. Next is their fees. Stripe charges per transaction, usually 2.9% plus 30 cents, with additional fees for currency conversion and premium features, while Revolut's fees depend on your account type, but foreign exchange is often cheaper for personal use. Business account fees vary. Lastly, their user experience and interface. Stripe is more business focused and data rich, while Revolut is designed for ease of use, whether for budgeting, saving, or transferring money. So for final verdict, you can choose Stripe if you are building or managing an online business and you need powerful developer tools. And you can choose Revolut if you are after flexible digital banking platform for personal or small business use. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.